Ever been in that super frustrating moment? You just met someone, they told you their name, and poof, gone. Or you walked into a room, forgot why you went in there? Today, we're uncovering why your brain pulls this vanishing act. It's not a flaw, it's efficiency. Our memory isn't one big filing cabinet. It's a three-stage filter. If information isn't important enough, it gets booted immediately. Stage 1, sensory memory. First, we have sensory memory. This is your brain's quick snapshot. It registers everything you see, hear, or smell, but only for milliseconds. If you don't instantly focus on that information, it's immediately dumped to avoid overload. Too much data. Stage 2, working memory. If you do focus, the info moves to working memory. Think of this as a tiny, limited workbench. It can only hold about 7 pieces of information for roughly 20 seconds. Trying to remember a phone number? If you don't actively repeat it or chunk it, those digits evaporate quickly to make space for the next thing. Your brain is constantly clearing its RAM. Stage 3, encoding to long-term memory. For something to stick, it needs to move to long-term memory through encoding. This means actively paying attention, making connections, and linking the new information to things you already know. If you passively glance at notes or someone's name, you haven't encoded it effectively. It never leaves that temporary workbench, so it feels like you forgot instantly. You just never truly registered it. The main culprit, distraction. And the biggest eraser of immediate memory, distraction. That walk into a room and forget why feeling. The simple act of changing environments or a sudden interruption can reset your working memory, wiping your temporary goal clean. Your brain is a filtering genius. It's filtering out the noise and only trying to save what's truly essential. To improve your immediate recall, try these simple hacks. Pay active attention, repeat information out loud, and minimize distractions. Give your brain a reason to keep the information around. That's it for today's Blinkaro fact. What's the funniest thing your brain immediately deleted? Let us know in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe for more fun facts, and hit the bell. Stay curious.